Hi, I'm taking a short interrupt to my vacation in Southern California to introduce a new animation on how BiteFX works. The original vision that inspired BiteFX was one of animating concepts, helping people understand things by taking experts' visualizations, the visuals experts create in their mind to help them master concepts, and putting them into animation so that others can see and understand. I decided earlier this year we should try applying that idea to BiteFX itself, creating a series of animations that communicate different concepts that make BiteFX work for our members. Some of these animations will communicate why you'd want to use BiteFX when talking with your patients. Some will illustrate particular skills or approaches that make for effective use of BiteFX. We hope that these animations will benefit both current and prospective BiteFX members by providing entertaining, short reminders of key concepts. Let me know what you think. We'd love to be guided by you as we develop this series. So here's our latest animation, how you can avoid the stress-inducing blank stare.
When your patients look like this, or even this, what is the chance they're going to accept the treatment you know is best for them? How does it make you feel inside? Something like this? There is a better way to help your patients join you in a journey of co-discovery. So what you see is this, and this, and this. Contact us for a demo or to connect with a coach who can guide you on this journey.